Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. I'm Eshna and I hope you're doing great. This is a small quick update or a first impression kind of a video, and I have purchased two perfumes from Flipkart and I'm going to talk about those and give you a first impression of how I feel about those. I will have to test those out and then only I can share the full detailed review. But this is kind of an update because one was recommended by you, so I wanted to try that out. And the other one was something that I have checked people across the internet and YouTube talk about, so I wanted to try both of them out. So this is kind of a first impression video rather, or a super mini haul. So I have these two fragrances that I have purchased from Flipkart. There were great deals on these and this was a recommendation from you, Tresor, Sonnet Tresor. So let's just quickly dive in and get a first impression and idea of how I think about these fragrances initially. I will definitely try these out and give you a detailed full-blown review. So the first one is this one. This is Sonnet Tresor. It's a cardboard box and a huge one. The perfume came really secured in the packaging. When I open this up, you get the perfume housed right here. So if I take the lid off, you have a safety packaging here as well. You move this and that is how your perfume is housed. And this is how the bottle looks like. So together, so this is how the packaging looks like. It's a transparent ombre effect going on from goldenish to pink and then to darker purple and all, and the lid is also like that. You have purple against golden. So that is how the design is okayish. It's not great, but it's I'm not a big fan of bottles which take a lot of space when storing, so not a huge fan of the bottle. The shape of this curved thing is very nice. It looks nice, but it's just that somebody who has less perfumes in their vanity, this will look very good. But since I have a lot, that is why it's difficult to store a perfume like this. But maybe I'll find a way to store it like this so that it takes less space. So not a big fan of the packaging because the cap is very flimsy, like it comes off. See, it's not sticking together. I don't know if that is how for all the Tresors, but mine is like that. So not a huge fan of the packaging. The fragrance on the other hand is really beautiful. So I'm very happy who recommended this and asked me to try this one. I haven't tested this as to how they perform and all. The spray is very good. It's floral type of a fragrance. It's fresh. It's a bit. It has a chemicalish vibe, of course. I mean, it is this is a 100 ml one, right? Yeah, this is a 100 ml bottle and this retails for 412, and I had to pay shipping extra for this, and together it cost me 460. But the fragrance is nice, but I will not say this is not a fragrance which you pay an extra delivery fee to acquire. That's what I will say. But the fragrance is wonderful. I might reach out for this even if I pay the delivery price. Yeah, like I said, this is first impression. I am building my thoughts here. I will have to test these out extensively to actually tell you how I feel entirely about the fragrance, but I am not happy about the packaging and I'll be honest about that. See, it's not sticking together. So I don't know whether it will protect my fragrance if I want to. It will protect my fragrance if I want to carry it around. Not sure about that. The quantity you are getting is amazing. This is an apparel fragrance, which means you apply it on your clothes and not on your skin. But trust me, I sprayed 2 spritzes now on my hand. My hand doesn't feel that good as the aura around me. It's beautiful. Oh my god. So thank you so much, Karishma, because you are the one who has recommended me to try Tresor. I will definitely try it in detail and share a review on this, but from the first impression, My god, I love it. But not as a skin scent, but as an apparel perfume, like they say. This is to be applied on the clothes. It's really beautiful. So that is the first one. I'll move on to the second one, which is Fog Make My Day Woman Perfume. This is an EDP. I have seen Fog being raved about by so many YouTubers that I thought it's high time I try this one. I have tried Fog deodorants before, which I didn't like because they burnt my skin. I don't enjoy those. But perfumes are, on the other hand, they are on a different style. I mean, they are a different kind of fragrance. So I wanted to give this one a try. So the packaging is very luxurious. Sorry, I opened everything and I'm showing you. This is how the cardboard packaging looks like. This is how your perfume was housed with a safety lid. And this is how the bottle looks like. It's a very pretty bottle. If you look at it, it's from ombre one, from black to pink. This golden black lid is also very stylish. It's a heavy glass. It's very stylish and it's a heavy glass bottle. I'll spray this. This is a very known fragrance. This is a fragrance that my husband used to wear. It's woman, but then anyways, anybody can wear anything. That's not a big concern for me. But it's a very fresh, strong fragrance. Wow. I believe it's for a powerful, confident woman. Somebody, Fog it will be strong. It is not subtle. So please, sensitive noses, stay out of this one. This is not for you. But people who enjoy strong fragrances that will last long, because from the initial spray and the DNA, I think this will last long. I am not saying it is lasting long because I haven't tried this. But it's great from the first sniff. I mean, from the first impression, it's quite impressive. It's great. It's going to be strong. It is not for the sensitive noses. That's at least something I can make out from the first sniff. So this is a 100 ml bottle and the mark price for this is rupees 500. I paid 284 rupees and 15 coins from my Flipkart's account. So to be very precise, I paid 284. 284, quite good. Quite good. This one, Tresor, is more of a softer one. It's strong, but it's subtle as well. It's not in your face and it is not going to give you a headache. This can be a bit headache inducing slightly for people with sensitive noses. You need to have a liking for strong fragrances in order to like this one. Otherwise you won't enjoy this. So that is what I feel for this one. From the first impression, that is what I can say. I will test both of these fragrances in detail and then I will come back with the detailed review for these. So if you want to see that detailed review for both Tresor and Fog, make sure you like this video, comment and let me know that you want to see it, and also share it with your friends. And before you leave, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. So that is pretty much it for today. I hope you enjoyed this short mini haul, first impression sort of a video, and if you did, then stay tuned for more and the reviews, of course. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.